Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel, Shrey of Coding. Today I'm going to show how to run a GUI app inside a Docker. So let's begin. I'm going to show how to run a Firefox from a Docker container and install a Jupyter notebook inside it. So let's begin. So this is the workspace. I've already installed Docker. You can check whether the Docker is running or not using systemctl status Docker command. If not, you can start it using start command. So let's create a Docker file. So whenever Docker build will run, it will look for by default Docker file. Okay. So first we need to specify the base image that we want to use. From CentOS, I'm going to use CentOS latest image and run the command inside it yum install -y Firefox. Okay, so far so good. Let's save it. So whatever we have specified inside the Docker file, I will explain it to you. Okay, so from it specifies the base image that we want to use and the run. So whenever the image is getting built, it will install Firefox inside it. So let's build our image. Docker build. We need to specify the tag. Let's give a tag, for example, Firefox. Um, yeah, let it be v1. Okay, and dot means it will look for Dockerfile in the current directory. So it is building the image. Okay, so when I will run Docker images, okay, CentOS is being already downloaded. So it will take the image from there. So it is building a layer. So first layer is the base image layer. On the top of it, it is installing Firefox. Okay, as you can see, the final build of the image is complete. Now let's run the container. Docker run. I will run it interactive environment. It will require several uh, environment variable. So we'll provide it display. And then for networking, it will use host. Let's run give our name of our container. So let's run. Uh, let's check what we have given wrong. I think I've given this. Yeah. So we are inside our container. We just need to write Firefox as you can check who is the owner. Okay, we are inside root. We are having root privilege inside the container, and let's run Firefox. Okay, we need to provide environment in capital. Hope it will work now. Yeah, as you can see that this Firefox have been launched uh, inside the Docker container. So moving on to our next, to launch a Jupyter notebook inside this Firefox. So let's cut this. It will ask to close the tab. I will press yes. I will press Ctrl C, stop the Firefox and move out our image. So let's again go to the Docker file. Uh, you know, so what we need to make changes is that first we need to install Python. Okay. So I'm gonna install that. I'm gonna write run yum install Python. Let's give the version 3.8 hyphen y. It will not ask for the permission afterwards. And we also need to install Jupyter Notebook. So pip3. After Python has been installed, uh, automatically configure pip3. So I'm going to install Jupyter Notebook using pip3 command. Install notebook. Okay, so far so good. Uh, okay, so Jupyter Notebook will run inside a browser. So we need to go. First, we need to launch Firefox. So what I will provide the path to launch the Firefox user in Firefox and launch Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Mm, give privileges also. So far so good. So I'm going to use the base image of CentOS, install Python 3.8 version, install Firefox, install Jupyter Notebook, launch Firefox, and then launch Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so far so good. Let's save our Docker file. Okay, so now let's build our image. Docker build hyphen t. Let's give the tag. Give it anything Jupyter. Let's even give the version and provide dot. So now, okay, it has picked the Python 3.8 version from the cache. I will show it to you. Yeah. Now it is installing Firefox. It might again take some time. So as you can see, the build of my image is complete. So let's run our container. Run. We need to specify environment variable again. Display Um, Now we need to provide the network configuration host. Then we need to specify our um, container name, Jupyter V1, JUPYT. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, as you can see, it is now launching a Jupyter Notebook server. So let's wait. It will automatically launch. Okay, as you can see that our Jupyter Notebook has been launched. Where it is gone. Okay, as you can see, Jupyter Notebook has been launched inside a Firefox which is running inside our container. So hope you like this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.